Hello, Monica Larsson here, the Swedish beekeeper. Today it's a very beautiful day. I think it's the first day in February when we have really sun and warm. You see, here it's a very nice place to have the bees. And here I'm in one of my apiary. Here I have the nucleus from the last year. I made this nucleus in it was a bee who wanted to touch me. Okay, we made this nucleus in the autumn last year, so I will check on them. This apiary is only for nucleus, so this piece is going to produce this year. As you see, it's a very good activity today. The bees are flying. So nice. It's really beautiful. So very nice. It's good activity. Can you see the birds? Can you hear the birds? I don't go so near the bees because unfortunately, after I become a beekeeper, a few years later after this, I got an allergic reaction, so I must have good clothes on me if I go to look at them. But this doesn't stop me to work with bees. I love this job. I love my bees, and I love the honey. So we'll see here, check on them a bit. Look how beautiful it is. I think it's very interesting because the most of people, they don't think we can keep bees in Sweden because it's very north up, and but I can assure you we have many beekeepers here. Only in Sweden we have like 19,000 beekeepers, and Denmark have too, like 5,000, 6,000 beekeepers. Finland too. Norway, there is also like